Hi guys, welcome back to Brian Reaction once again. So guys, if you're coming across my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Now to my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support guys. We are growing and we are growing very fast. So in today's video, I woke up today very happy because I saw something online, and I decided that, I have to share this with you guys. The world showing love for Jamaica. After the Hurricane Melissa, Jamaica has lost so much. That beautiful island, has been destroyed, and the world has decided that Jamaica won't stand alone. So many countries have come out, celebrities, just to help Jamaicans. The tourists are in the streets of Jamaica, cleaning that beautiful island, helping Jamaica regain the beauty it was. This is a very beautiful video guys. I want you to watch this video, see some of the reactions from Jamaicans. They are very happy. The world has come out to support them. So watch this video guys until the end, and I'll be back with a few comments.
You see the amount of other countries and other people who pull up for one little island, Jamaica, with beautiful little island of Jamaica. Oh my God, guys. There are so many people that are helping us. So many families, so many celebrities, so many other countries. Oh my God, Jamaica will bless. So many people are helping us. Guys, let me give you a rundown of some of the names that I saw online that are helping, that I see in another video. Venezuela, El Salvador, Martinique, Guadeloupe, Trinidad and Tobago, Cayman Islands, Panama, France, Japan, Canada, China, Belgium, Spain, United Kingdom, USA, the Federal of St. Kitts and Nevis, Barbados, and Luxembourg. If I miss any, put it in the comment, guys. Let me tell you, man, share this video because we need these people to see that we're saying big thank you. We're saying thank you on behalf of our families in Jamaica. Oh my God, we are so grateful, guys. Thank you.
Yes, where you from? Indiana.
Pittsburgh, PA.
Pittsburgh. New Jersey. Where you from?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Oh my
Jersey.
God.
Where you from?
No.
All right, where you from? Florida. Where you from? All right. My lovely lady, where you from?
Montreal, Canada.
Montreal, Canada is in the house. Where you from, sir? What's up? Sir, where you from?
I'm from Iowa.
Iowa. I will appreciate you.
Not a problem.
In this time of trouble, I will call upon some great friends, and you are one of them. So thanks for your effort, thanks for everything. I hope God see we soon back out of this storm. All right? It's a pressure. You moving here? Wow. Make it be end and now with Jamaica.
The first 2 words that I heard in Jamaica were welcome home.
Welcome home.
My wife passed away in May.
Wow.
I have no children.
I'm sorry.
I've been around the world.
I'm sorry.
And the best place on earth is Jamaica.
Say it again.
The best place on earth is Jamaica.
What more we want to hear?
The best place on earth is Jamaica.
sorry this happened.
We are here to try and help in any way we can. Use us, God. You might be comfortable at home. This tragedy may not have shown up at your door, but empathy and humanity, as you are affected by everything that everybody is feeling and what affects them. Go as far as you can. We want to fill up the warehouse in Miami. We want to fill up the cargo plane and bring as many resources as we can to the people of Jamaica. Thank you.
Amen, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good morning, good morning. So real quick, as you guys know, Hurricane Melissa tore Jamaica up. There's so many people that are displaced, that are now homeless. There's people that don't have not even a pair of socks or underwear to work with. Food is scarce in so many areas. Water that's even a whole nother issue right there. Anything, I'm trying to raise money or to receive any kind of donations that can help provide some kind of help or assistance to people that were affected, especially people that are in hard to reach areas. We're trying to focus on getting them some supplies. It doesn't matter what it is. There's a long list of things that can be sent at this moment for disaster relief, and I put some of that inside the GoFundMe. If you have brand new underwears or boxers or shoes or anything that you might have that you're not using, we will accept that so that we can distribute those. We're accepting monetary. If you do decide to send any kind of money, that would be used to purchase things when we get to Jamaica. If not, there's also a shipping company that I have in the link, and you can ship things there. The only thing to be mindful of, there is a cost for things to be shipped. Whatever you ship to the shipping company, there's also a cost that you have to pay to get it to Jamaica, and then another cost to receive it once you get to Jamaica, and that is outside of customs. So you can call the shipping company and just ask those questions if you decide to donate. If it's a case of water, a box of macaroni and cheese, whatever it is, we are accepting anything that can go towards helping these people. There's so much trauma. The devastation is unreal, and we're just trying to assist as best as possible. Please, if you can, donate. If not, please pray for the people that are suffering right now. Also, if you can share, comment, like, respond, help me to get this out there. That would be greatly appreciated as well.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched the full clip. Now this video has made me very, very proud. It has made my morning. I woke up, and I saw that video online, and I decided that I gotta show you this video. The world showing love for Jamaica. This is very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Now, I told you guys, Jamaica is the most loved country in the whole world. You just have to accept that. With this video, it's a clear evidence. It has a clear evidence that the world loves Jamaica so much. Now, after the Hurricane Melissa, everything was destroyed in Jamaica. It has caused a lot of destruction in Jamaica. People have lost their jobs. Children are not going to school. Their farms, their properties, their workplaces, their businesses, their vehicles, their loved ones. So Hurricane Melissa has caused a lot of destruction in Jamaica. And sadly, White Yard revealed revealed something about the government of Jamaica. So the government of Jamaica is only planning, to rebuild those places that attract tourists. So they're gonna rebuild places that attract tourists first, before now they look into other parts of the country. Now imagine that. Instead of just sending, people across, that beautiful island to make sure that everywhere is fixed, the government just decided that it's gonna rebuild those places that attract tourists. We all know Jamaica receives a lot of income from tourists. Tourists bring a lot of income to that beautiful island. And that's why the government is very smart. So it's just decided that they're gonna fix first those parts before now, maybe they extend to the other regions. But, God has come out for Jamaica, and here is now very good news. Now, the whole world, countries have come out, celebrities, tourists, they have come out, in large numbers to make sure Jamaican people receive all the help they need. Now, you have seen tourists in the streets of Jamaica helping the people of Jamaica clean the streets. Oh my, that is very beautiful. Now, these are tourists from different parts of the country. You have seen that guy, moving around and asking them, where are you from? Where are you from? And, they are from different parts of this world. And they just decided that, we love this country. We've been in this country. We always come to this country. And we just can't let them suffer alone. So they are cleaning the streets of Jamaica, making sure that Jamaica regains its beauty. And my Jamaicans, they decided, they just can't keep quiet. So they have come out online just to say thank you, and they want this video to go viral so that the world can see and know that, Jamaicans are very, very grateful for the support you guys have given them. They are very thankful for that because they really need it, because the government is considering, building some places and leaving others. Now the world has come out for Jamaica to make sure that the whole island is fixed. The whole island is as beautiful as it always been, because you all know Jamaica is the most beautiful island, for you to go in. That's why tourists are always heading there. Tourists are always going to Jamaica. They always choose Jamaica. So right now, I know activities are ongoing in Jamaica, making sure that Jamaica regains its beauty. Now, what do we learn from this? What we learn from this video is that, if we can be uniting like this all the time, then we can really, really go far. If countries can be coming out, USA, Canada, all the countries across the world, coming out, uniting, to assist, this country or any country, just coming out to assist one another. It's a very beautiful thing. This has made me so happy. So if we can be living like this as, as human beings, then we can go very, very far. So I believe in the coming, in a few months, Jamaica, it's gonna regain its beauty. Jamaica gonna be that beautiful Jamaica that we always know, that everyone always love. And guys, Jamaicans, have come out and they are saying thank you. Thank you guys, for coming out and supporting them, showing love for them. They have proven that, the whole world, really loves them. They have proven that, you guys have proven that, Jamaica is a well-known country and it's a well-loved country. And that's why they're just saying thank you for all your support, for coming out, and helping them during this hard time. They really, really need that. So let's make sure that this beautiful island is rebuilt once again. We want everything to be normal in Jamaica the way it used to be. We want, people to be going back to that country. The people who have been going to stay there, we want them to come as many as possible. We want Jamaica, to be the way it was. Everyone has been talking of Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. We want that to maintain. So to my Jamaican people, hopefully in the 1 or 2, 3 months, hopefully you guys gonna regain everything that you guys have lost. We are with you. We are praying for you. Hurricane Melissa is now over. At least that is something, we can be proud of. So it's over. Now it's time to rebuild. So big up to everyone, who has showed support for my Jamaican brothers and sisters. On my side, I'm also saying thank you guys, for remembering Jamaica. So thank you for watching this clip, guys. In case you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, comment. I'll gladly reply to all your comments. And until my next video, one love.